Makai YouTube. How y'all doing? Doing just great. As you can see, I've started the car up after a long time of sitting. I've almost started it up. The last time I started it up was about a month ago, and it started right up. I miss that sound. Okay, anyhow, back on topic. This won't be a fit about how my engine starts. Apparently not. Today is gonna be an install video, and what I'm gonna be installing is, let me show you. A launch control system, and this is typically an LD performance launch control system. No, I'm not being sponsored by them, but it sure looks like a good piece of kit. As you guys maybe are wondering, I did have another launch control, typically the BR ref limiter, right here. I didn't show you guys that I did install this, but actually I did install this and it didn't work on my car. Yes, I bought the right one. I've did the diode thingies, and the car just didn't like it. Let me just tell it like that. And yes, as the original BR, it does work. It did work on Shen's car. I did test it on an Alteza. I thought the BR was broke, but apparently it's not, because it made a lot of flames and a lot of bang bangs. But apparently my car doesn't like it, so I've opted for another solution, and I found this. A lot of Subaru guys out there in the UK have had good reviews on this bit of kit, so I'll be trying it myself. And the BR, I'll be selling this pretty soon. Maybe not for a Subaru guy, but it will work on Toyotas. And of course, testing before you buy is always my policy. So anybody out there interested in a BRF limiter, hit me up. Testing before you buy. So what I'll be doing today is I'll be installing this. Feels sturdy. 3 buttons: miss, delay, and RPM. No clue yet how, but I'll be testing it when I've installed it. It comes with a wiring harness. I've already added the pins to it, the male pins and female pins. These work out of the external coils, the coil packs, the inline and outlines. Yeah, I'll be telling you about it. It does come with an instruction manual how to install. Much better than the BR, I would say. The BR didn't come with anything, so I had to puzzle it out, but yeah. Okay, so first thing is first, gotta locate my ECU. Already know where it is, but I have to remove it and splice it into it. This won't be spliced into the wire. This will be cutting wire. So if you guys want to buy a piece of kit like this and you guys are hesitant about it, about cutting your wiring harness, I'd rather you avoid it, because I kind of don't care. I'm gonna be sleeping all the way home, so yeah, keep you guys posted. Oh yeah, by the way, the reason I don't drive the car is because I'm getting ready, prepping the car for installing my sunroof, moonroof, whatever you want to call it. I've already outlined the roof on where I need to cut, and I will have to be stripping my whole interior. So after the install of that launch control, I will be stripping my interior to prep the car for the sunroof. Yeah, and maybe after I install the sunroof I will drive the car, but for now I don't like driving my car if I know my car isn't kinda ready or fully ready. That's the kind of guy I am. So keep you guys posted on the sunroof episode, but for now let's get snipping. Okay, I've already removed the foot panel. The ignition coils will be for the gc8 will be on the 26 plug. That's the right here, the far one to the left, the top side one, and the wires you are aiming for, or if you look at the back of the plug, the fourth one from left out, it will start with, you can see, I don't know how good you guys can see this, but it will be yellow, blue, green, white, red, and black, red. These are the four wires you will need. These are the ignition signal wires that you will need to wire in the launch control. If I'm not mistaken, the black red is number 1 coil, the red is number 2, the green white is number 3, and no, wait, I'll have to check in back with the car's owner's manual to check which one is the original coil. But yeah, but anyhow, you need these 4 wires to wire in the launch control. Yep. Okay guys, I've have it all hooked up right now. Check the manual again. The black red wire is number 1 coil, the red wire is number 4 coil, the green white is number 2, and the yellow green is number 3 coil. I've cut it and added the male and female connectors to it, so it will be easier when I remove the BR, not the BR, oh my god, the launch control, the LD launch control. I will be able to just plug in the factory harness again when I remove it. Oh yeah, when installing this, remember to disconnect your battery. Always disconnect your battery when you're working on your car. So have it all hooked up, hook it back up into the ECU, and I've already had ground and power ran, because when I hooked up the BR, this is the clutch wiring, this is the power wiring, and the ground. So let's see. Instructions say the miss and delay button should always be at minus before starting up, and the RPM to way up. This will not set your overall RPM. This will only set your cut RPM. So when you hit the clutch switch, this little thing will kick on, the clutch or the handbrake, because I've installed it on both of them. This will kick on, but as long as you release the clutch or the handbrake, your ECU will have your original RPM, your overall RPM. This will only work with your when this gets the signal. Let me just set it like that. So it's dialed in like that. Now all I have to do is start the car. Fingers crossed. Oh yeah, forgot to tell you guys that buttons here are very sensitive. They don't have the click 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 like some other modules do, like the BR. the BRS click click and it will stay like that as long as you don't touch it, but this will move at the slightest touch, so be careful when you play with it. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's a fail. I think I might have hooked up something wrong. I think I messed up the wiring. I'll get back to you guys on that.
A few moments later.
Okay, I think I know what I might have messed up. I actually had to work with this row, but I worked with this row, so okay, I messed up. Okay, hang on. Okay guys, take two. What I did was I switched the wire on the wrong side. That's stupid. Okay, take two. Let's pray. Nope. Maybe I hooked up some wrong wiring. Gotta get back on that.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, I finally got it to start. I did wire the plugs the wrong way, so that's why I didn't start. But yeah, I got it to start right now. Gotta get the car warmed up first pretty good, and after that I will be testing it out. I hope it's good. Oil pressure is good, air fuel ratios are good. Okay, car is all warmed up right now. Time to test this thing out. Let's see. Okay, my clutch is also on my handbrake, so I have two switches, one for my handbrake and the other one is on my clutch. So let's see if this thing goes. I did not have luck with the BR, so let's see if I have any luck with this one. Okay, I hope the GoPro speaker is still working. Anyway, it works. It really works. Thumbs up for this product. Well, if you're a Subaru owner and you want some launch control, get an LD launch control. Yeah guys, I really recommend this product. Not that you have to buy it, but if you are thinking of buying it, it's worth it. It does work, at least on my car. My car didn't work on the BR, but it does work on this. Not sponsored by LD Performance, but yeah, it works. So next on the agenda after this, have to strip the car because gotta prep it for the sunroof. It is about time because this car has been sitting way too long, and I'll keep you posted on that. Well guys, this is for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. If you have anything to say or any recommendations, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe, like, and also share. Till next time.